Let's make fish tacos. We'll begin by slicing the fillets in half. To prepare the mix, mezclemos 1 cup of flour, half tablespoon baking powder, crushed oregano, mustard, and 1 egg. Now we mix until we can see the flour. Since the flour is still visible, let's add water and continue to mix. We don't want a watery mix, so continue to mix until it looks like this. Now let's oil up the pan. Once the oil has heated, get a strip of fish, dip into the batter mix and onto the pan. To prepare a chile de aceite, we use the leftover oil from the pan. If all the oil was used, add some more to soften the garlic and the chiles de árbol. Once the chiles have softened up, we'll pour all the ingredients from the pan into the blender and sprinkle some salt. This chile de aceite is very strong and will make you cough all around, so let's let it cool down so we could then pour it out. Our last step is to prepare the cabbage for our tacos. So let's chop cabbage, tomato, and onion. Now let's heat up some tortillas to begin preparing our tacos. Once the tortilla is ready, let's add our fish, the chopped ingredients, sour cream, lime, and our chile de aceite. Enjoy this recipe, it is yummy.